want to make at least $1,000 per month, you don't need a shop and you don't need millions of naira in budget for you to earn this money. All you need is just your laptop and internet. So today I'm going to show you several ways you can start earning online, because you can scale this business that I'm about to mention. You can scale them beyond your dreams. So let's dive right in. The first one on my list is e-commerce for African goods. When I say e-commerce, some people may think that you have to create it as big as Jumia and then have different categories, but there are simple ways you can do this thing. You can actually create a shop online, like something like Etsy or Shopify. But if you really want to skip all the expenses in terms of paying monthly fees and them charging you for payment processors, charging you extra, you can just simply buy a domain name, something from maybe like a Namecheap, buy hosting for your website. If you are tech savvy, you can easily go to install website WordPress and then use WooCommerce, which is easy. But if you know you can't do it, you can at least give it to someone. There are so many people who are talented in Nigeria who are looking for a job that you can contract this to, and they will set up your website. The only drawback is that you need to at least pay for a yearly and the shipping cost. If you can deal with the shipping, the logistics that is involved, this business will make you rich. Yes. And I'm not talking about doing it and focusing on Nigerians. So you do it and you focus on people that are Nigerians or Africans that are abroad. Of course, I forgot to mention that you have to market your product online. If you have extra money, you can, boost your sale, your post on Facebook, advertise on Facebook to target Nigerians globally. And also, I forgot another thing is you need to start with a few products. Don't go in all in and start doing everything. If you are committed, you will see the result. And of course, you don't have to quit your full-time job. If you are going to design the website by yourself, you will need at least minimum of 10 hours a week to invest in this. You can do it when you close from your work. But then again, you will not source an item until people start placing orders. So technically, you are not keeping this item. You are not doing inventory. This thing, you have to know where to source them so that when people start placing order, it will be easy for you to quickly run there, buy it and ship it and keep your profit. So the second one on my list is printable and downloadable. I know people will say this thing is saturated, but think about it. It depends on how you design yours. I have some and I'm still selling it. I'm trying to keep my business separate from my YouTube channel. If not, I would have started in bringing all those things here so that you see it. Some things like planners, calendars, you think about all the downloadables that you can get, even children's book. Do you know how lucrative it is to, write children's book and then sell them online? They can be downloadable, and if you format it properly, you can put it in Amazon Kindle, and you can start selling it. This thing, you only need to work on it once, create it once, upload it once, and then you earn lifetime income. It's very passive. So this, if you invest like a few hours to create these products, then the rest of your life you just be selling and be collecting money. This thing, you don't have to quit your job until at least the sales become really consistent sales. So what this thing involves is minimal cost, just your creativity and your time. That is all it needs. The third one is social media management. Businesses pays for someone to manage their TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and so on. This video you are watching right now, I did not upload it personally. I have someone that is managing my social media account, and the person, he doesn't manage only my own. For instance, sometimes I upload once in a month. It's just for me to have time to sit down and make the video. The social media manager will upload it, do everything. It's just she's not the video editor, but she will upload it. She will do the caption, the tags, everything. Then go to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and then upload a couple of video or picture when it's needed. So she's being paid monthly. And I'm not the only one she's handling. I referred two of people that wanted me to manage their social media account. I referred two of them to her. And she already have other clients that she's managing. So in a month, she will make at least $1,500. And I'm not even talking about, because me, I pay her in naira now as per somebody we no get money. But for her, other people that she's working with from other freelancing platform pays her well. They pay her well and they pay her in dollars. So she makes every month As in, she has gotten at least consistent 4 clients. So every month at least, she doesn't make less than 1,500 because those people, they pay her directly. It's not a task that takes a lot of time. And with the help of ChatGPT now, it's even easier to write caption and everything. But if you are lucky enough to get like maybe 1 account or 2 accounts that are paying you 1,000 or 500, you see, the money has become extravagantly large. I have done it before, and I can tell you, it's a money minting machine. And if you don't get people from abroad, you can approach people within your local, within your vicinity. Many businesses, they don't have time or they don't know how to manage social media. You will be in charge. So number 4 is virtual assistant. I know this one, oh, virtual assistant job changed my life. Oh, I won't lie to you. Before, I was earning 100,000 naira. Years ago, I was earning 100,000 naira. That 100,000 naira is with a beg, oh, with bowing down to somebody and doing everything. And I will deduct my transportation, deduct my feeding from inside. But when I discovered virtual assistants, my sister, the thing turned my life around, honestly. And of course, I started from Fiverr, but then moved to remote job and everything. The virtual assistant, some people think that when it comes to virtual assistant, it's just only email management, calendar, this thing. But virtual assistant can cover a lot of things. Just make it like, is either you choose for people PA to become people PA, virtual PA, or you become administrative assistant. Whichever one you choose, just make sure you stick to it. And then if you being broad is good because everybody wants, like if you go to e-commerce, you would like to shop and make sure you buy everything at once, right? But if you are being specialized, it's okay. Do you know that virtual assistant also answers handle customer support? I do that too. I handle customer support. I even format documents. I do a lot of things. So being a virtual assistant, yes, the market is saturated if you are focused on if you are focusing on just data entry and a few other convertible. AI can do most of those things now. So it's still in demand. Virtual assistant job is still in demand. You just have to make sure you focus on areas where AI cannot replace you. So as a virtual assistant, if you get like 2 clients paying you 500 a month, you are all covered. The next one is freelance content creation. I know if when I say social media management, you think that social media management have to include content creation. Yes, some people do it together, but some people will just provide only content and not have anything to do with posting. You know that I have a girl that just use her face to make a video just the way I'm making this video right now. She will talk, say everything, make the video and send it to the brand. She is in form of the face of the brand. They will just take the video, edit it, and then post it. She does that. She makes short for them. She makes the long form videos for them. So if you are interested in this, you can go to platform like Upwork and Fiverr. Yes, the competition is fierce, but you need to narrow down as much as possible, niche down as much as possible. And of course, include good keywords that will help them to discover you, like search engine optimize your description. You'll be surprised how much you can make. Among all these businesses, I have tried everything. I have tried virtual assistant. In fact, I'm still doing it. In fact, currently, I'm still doing the virtual assistant. The social media management, I have done it and I did it for years. The downloadable, printable, yes, I still have it. So these things that I've told you about, they mint money. But it depends on how many hours you put in it and how dedicated you are. But if you know you don't have time at all, just take your time, create the downloadable, upload it. After all, what do you have to lose? The downloadable is one of the cheapest. The downloadable and the virtual assistant social media management, they are the cheapest because you don't need any upfront investment. Most of you already have a laptop. You can use your laptop and start this. You just register and that's it. For the downloadable, you can use Canva. You can use the free version. But if you don't want to use the free version, you can pay just for a month or 2 and get your items uploaded to the platform you want, and that is it. The key is to start small and reinvest your income. When you are doing a side hustle and you know your salary is already enough to sustain you, make sure you are investing your side hustle so that side hustle money will grow and then become a passive income for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you have any question, I'll be here to answer your question. Leave a comment down below. Please tell me, which of these side hustles have you tried and which one are you going to try? If you have tried anyone, let me know what your challenges are and I will do my best to respond as soon as I can. Thank you.